I'm Onyede Adewite. I study art, design engineering, geography and maths. Usually after lessons or in my free periods I'd come to the workshop and work on whatever project we're working on, whether it's NEA or just like little projects to help us learn concepts better. So GCSE I did product design, but then I decided to go over to design engineering for A-levels because I just want to switch it up, and I didn't really know much about like electronics and robotics and those type of things. So I just decided to switch over so I can learn more, yeah. I think if you got like a good basic level of GCSE maths, then you'd be all right. So we do VEX Robotics Design Engineering course for A-levels in your lower sixth year to kind of introduce you to those concepts which are part of the spec. I think at the beginning of every project, you're just trying to like work with your team to see what ideas, how you'd get to do it, and then you choose one, and then you're like, wait, how do we actually make this? So like in the middle bits of the when we were making the robot, it was quite difficult because you try something and it doesn't work, and then you just keep trying and trying till you get something that eventually works. Till the first competition, till like the second, third competition, we were still fixing our robot and trying to make it better. So it was just like a continuous process. So what I actually really like about learning design is we don't just sit down in a lesson and learn about whatever. You get to actually come in the workshop and to see how things are actually manufactured in industrial style. So you're not just able to write down how, I don't know, the pillar drill works, you're actually able to use it and you get a better understanding of how it works. Yeah. I'm head of the eco committee at school. That's quite a current thing. This is just our second year running. We only started last school year, so that's been pretty exciting, getting it up and running, trying to just see what we need to improve in the school. Most of my personal statement was about environmental design and just looking at that type of, honing in into like that type of part of design, so for sure, yeah. Before I finalised my sixth form, my A-level subjects, I was thinking, what do I want to study at uni? And I eventually got to architecture. So that's why I chose my subjects, because I was on the path to studying architecture at uni.